Good day. I am Rika Empranda and my topic is that I will discuss is all about social science in the tertiary level, a gateway to understanding society and the building careers. What is social science? A multidisciplinary program focusing on history, politics, economics, geography, anthropology, and sociology. Pag sinabing social science, dito is nakapaloob or nagpo-focus ito sa mga history, politics, economics, or geography, anthropology, and sociology. At emphasis on the Philippines and Asia. Dito naman is parang dito lang umiikot sa mga pag nag-aaral ng social science is parang dito umiikot lamang sa Philippines and Asia. Prepare student for teaching, research, advocacy, and careers in NGOs, government, or the private sector. Parang dito is piniprepare yung mga student na sa kanilang pagtuturo about sa research, advocacy, and careers in NGO, government, or the private sector. Why study social sciences? Develops critical thinking, analytical research, and interpersonal skills. Sa pag-aaral ng social science ay nagde-develop dito yung mga critical thinking, analytical, research, and interpersonal skills. Narito naman ang halimbawa ng career sa pag-aaral ng social sciences. Ito ay ang social workers, economists, and diplomatic service. Social worker skills in active listening, organization, and understanding human behavior. Sinasabi dito na sa pag-aaral ng social science ay makakakuha ka dito ng mga skills na magagamit mo sa social workers. Economics, combining social sciences and mathematics to analyze resources and policies. Dito naman is yung combination ng social science and mathematics para to analyze resources and policies. Diplomatic services. Ito yung preparation for multicultural work environment with foreign language knowledge. Dito naman is yung pagiging handa sa mga kunyari, kapag nagwo-work abroad, yung kailangan paghandaan yung pag-aralan yung mga bagay na about sa social science.